I'm Dr. Neha Yadav. I'm a consultant fetal medicine at CK Birla Hospital, Punjabi Bagh, and today I'm going to discuss about what is fetal medicine and when you should consider seeing a fetal medicine specialist. So, fetal medicine is a super specialized branch of obstetrics and gynecology in which we mainly deal with the care and the health of the baby when it's still inside the womb. So how we take care of the health of the baby is by doing the routine ultrasound scanning which are done from different to different time interval during the pregnancy. So these scans are, the first one is the level 1 scan which is done between 11 to 13 plus 6 week of pregnancy, in which we look for any genetic or chromosomal markers in the baby, and it is combined with the blood test known as the double marker to detect the genetic and the chromosomal abnormalities in the baby. The next very important scan during the pregnancy is an anomaly scan. So in the anomaly scan, we check for any structural defect in the baby, that the baby is formed very well inside the womb or not. It's a very important scan and it should never be missed in a pregnancy. The next scans in the pregnancy are the growth and the Doppler scan, in which we look that the baby is growing very well inside the womb and the blood flows of the baby are normal. So when you should consider seeing a fetal medicine expert? So for all your routine ultrasound scanning during the pregnancy, this should be done by a fetal medicine expert so that nothing is missed during those scans. The next is, if any abnormality is detected in the baby, so the fetal medicine expert will guide you whether how to proceed with this pregnancy, the next test which should be advised during the pregnancy, or whether to go for the termination of pregnancy. The next is, if you have any high risk on the double marker or the chromosomal marker test that has been advised to you. The next is for the preconceptional counseling before you are planning a pregnancy, or if there is any history of genetic or chromosomal abnormality running in your family. The high-risk pregnancies like Rh negative pregnancy, raised blood pressure, gestational diabetes mellitus, and these all are managed by a fetal medicine expert, and if you have a history of recurrent abortion also, these are all managed by a fetal medicine expert. Thank you.